Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School.
Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together.
In this video, Basic English for Beginners, Demonstrative Pronouns, Practice.
Demonstrative pronouns.
Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. This, that, these, those.
The demonstrative pronoun represents a thing or things. Near in distance or time, this, these. Far in distance or time, that, those.
Singular. Near. This. Far. That.
For example,
This is a pen. That is a bird.
plural.
Near. These. Far. Those.
For example, plural.
These are pencils. Those are trees.
Simple dialogue.
That is wonderful.
Look at that.
Those were the beautiful years.
Can you remember those?
Is this your suitcase too?
Yes.
This is heavier than that. Are these your bags too?
Yes.
These are bigger than those.
Normally you can use demonstrative pronouns for things only.
For example,
This pen is red. That car is new.
these flowers are beautiful. Those trees are green.
But you can use them for people when the person is identified. Look at these examples.
For example,
This is Michael speaking. Is that Joan? That sounds like Vanessa.
important.
Demonstrative pronouns exclude the use of articles.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.